Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create the transparent text in CapCut PC. Alright, um, select your video or photo you like to edit and you are just going to click text to add the text. So for example, I'm going to select the bold text just for duration assembling and change for the text. Sorry. Going to export the font size and the font style. And I'm going to change for the color. Alright, so to make this transparent, you're just going to click on text and scroll down until you find the this opacity, so it's plain to none, and just for the opacity to swipe to the left. You can adjust in 30. You can see this transparent text like watermarks. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.